Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This beautiful rainbow purse tutorial with flower and cord will give you many helpful crochet tips. If you keep watching till the end, you will be able to learn to join two crochet pieces in a new way, to design the lead of the purse in a new style, to work with many colors you need. 2 mm hook, 3 no yarn. You should know to do slip stitch SLST, single crochet SC, double crochet DC. This crochet design can be applied on clothing, blanket, beanie, cardigan and sweaters. Make 12 chains. If you do not know how to do foundation double crochet, you can learn it now. Skip 2 chains. FDC foundation double crochet in chain 3. Yarn over, insert the hook in third chain. Yarn over, pull up. Yarn over, draw through 1 loop. Yarn over, draw through 2 loops. Yarn over, draw through 2 loops. It's foundation double crochet. Did you learn? Practice makes perfect. Let's practice. Insert the hook in the last stitch, 2 bottom loops of the stitch on the hook. Yarn over, pull up. Yarn over, draw through 1 loop. Yarn over, draw through 2 loops, yarn over, draw through 2 loops. Now do it 5 times more, those will be 7 in total. Let's practice. If you did not subscribe my channel, do it. Share this video to your friends who love crochet. Do not forget to like and comment. Three chains. Join it with last stitch's bottom. "12 chains. Skip 2 chains, foundation double crochet in chain 3. Repeat foundation double crochet 7 times as instructed before. After making 2 sets of foundation double crochet, make 9 chains to finish row 1. Row 2. Change the color of the yarn. In the very first chain of row 1 make 3 chains. This 3 chain set will be counted as double crochet. Now make 8 more double crochet through the chains. Join with chain 2 part of foundation double crochet set. Leave the front 1 loop unworked. Insert the hook between 2 loops and select back 2 loops to join using slip stitch. Make 3 chains. Every chain set of 3 will be counted as double crochet. Add more 7 double crochet. Two chains. Join it with the first chain in row 1. Nine double crochet through the chains. Join it with chain 3 as instructed. Repeat last set pattern. Row 3. Start with 3 chains or double crochet. Do 8 more double crochet on downside, 9 in total including chain set. Join it with chain 3. Leave the front 1 loop unworked. Insert the hook between 2 loops and select back 2 loops to join using slip stitch. Seven double crochet. Two chains. Join to row 2. Nine double crochet. Change color in each row, keep working like that pattern. Make 2 parts. One is of 6 inches high, leave unfinished, 7.3 inches wide. Second 5 inches high, finished, 7.3 inches wide. Keep working on unfinished part, it's back part of bag. Now I'm going to decrease stitches in this row. 3 chains. Two double crochet. Three loops on hook. Yarn over, pass through 3 loops at once. This will be counted as 1 stitch in next row. Repeat every step of last rows. Reach the end of row, when 3 stitches left. Do 3 double crochet. Four loops on hook. Yarn over, draw through 4 loops at once. Slip stitch, cut out the yarn. Change color, 3 chains in chain 4 of last row. Two double crochet. Three loops on hook. Stitch them together. Repeat last row pattern in 2 rows. Now it's last row. Start with 3 chains. Nine single crochet. Nine double crochet. Nine single crochet again. One double crochet. One slip stitch. Now I'm going to give style to finished part. Insert the hook in very first stitch of upper left corner. First do slip stitch. Now insert the hook in next backward stitch, yarn over, pull up the yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Repeat the stitch through the row. Now I am joining 2 parts, measure from bottom equally. Keep working using last stitch corner to corner. If you did not subscribe my channel, do it. Share this video to your friends who love crochet. Do not forget to like and comment. Here at this tag I am going to cut out yarn because I have to work from other side. I am using the same stitch I using in styling and joining. Beauty is ready. If you did not subscribe my channel, do it. Share this video to your friends who love crochet. Do not forget to like and comment. Thanks for watching.